Hello everyone, welcome to O-Level Mathematics tutorial with Tam. Today we'll be dealing with how to check antilogarithms of numbers. Antilogarithms of numbers is similar to logarithms of numbers. On your antilog table, difference. So this is just an illustration of the antilog table. How the antilog table look like. For example, if you have to check antilog of 7296, let's say the decimal point is here. This is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. So you check 72 under 9, which is 7, difference 6 is 3. You add it together. Now it makes fixing your decimal point. Then you check your whole number part. You have two numbers, 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you count the number 1, 2, 3. You put your decimal point here. Another example. Checking antilog of 72. Your decimal point, let's say the decimal point is here. 72 under 5. 72 under 5. Difference 9 is 6. To fix your decimal point, this is your whole number part. You count it 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Okay. Using the same example, if the decimal point is here, the location of the decimal point will just change. You count the number before decimal point, that is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You now count 1, 2. Your decimal point will be here. Using the same example, if it has no decimal point, you add your point 0. That is 4 numbers before decimal point. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. You count your numbers. You count your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not up to 5. You add 0. It's already 5. Antilogarithms of numbers. Solving example related to antilogarithms of numbers. If you are given this question, 34.83 times 5.427, you make two tables, number and log. Your question will be on the number, under number, while the log of your answer will be at the other side. 34 under. To check antilog, you first check the logarithms of these numbers. 34.83 to be 34 under 8. Once you get your answer, your difference 3, you add it together and put it here. How the decimal point is on the first number is because two numbers before decimal point. Antilog is 2 minus 1, so it's 1. So the decimal point will be here. How I got the second one is 54.27. Your decimal point is here. You check 54 under 2, difference 7. Once you get your answer, you put it in front. So the reason why the decimal point is in front of this, the reason why we got this 0 is from how we got this 0. The first number before decimal point is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why we write this 0. How we got 1, I explained it. The two number before decimal point, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we put the 1 here. So you add the logarithms of number together. Once you get to this point, you check antilog of this number. 27 under 6, difference 6. Once you check it, you write it down here. So the number before decimal point is what? 2. For antilog, instead of minus 1 to be plus 1, it should be 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So you now count 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, and put your decimal point. Now, if you are given this question related like this, division sign in logarithms means minus. That's why minus is here. You check antilogarithms of these numbers. 45 under 6, difference 2. Got this. So the numbers before decimal point, there's no decimal point, it's 0.0. So it's 4 numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why you put 3 in front of this. The second one, you check 98 under 7, difference 6. Your logarithms of number, you write it. To write this one, you check before decimal point, we have two numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you write your 1. Because of this division sign, you subtract. Once you subtract, you check antilog of these numbers. 66 under 4, difference 6. You write it. Now, number before decimal point in antilog is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you count two numbers, 1, 2, and put your decimal point here. So another example is the one on the board. You check 53 under 7, difference 5. You write it out. Now you count your number, 1, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you check 53 under 7, difference 5. You write your answer out. Count number before decimal point. You have 1, 2. 2 minus 1 here. Since it's raised by 3, it should be multiplied by 3. Once you get your answer, you check antilog of this number. You write it out. The antilog of 19 under 1, difference 2 is 1553. You now check number before decimal point is 5, and your number is not up to 5. You now say 5 plus 1, that is 6. Your number is not up to 6. You add what? 20. So if it is raised to power half instead of 3, if this place is raised to power half, 1 over 3, that is, it is inverse. Instead of multiplication sign, it will be what? Division sign. And you follow the method I've explained. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and God bless.